We're here at the Banff Centre working on our new piece. It's called Revisor, and we have a technical residency for a week with our team of designers.
Normally, the process of staging and lighting a show happens at the end of a creation. So you've made the show in the studio, and then you pick it up, put it on stage, you start throwing lights at it, and you finish it there. That's traditionally how things work. This week in Banff, we've been putting some very simple set elements on stage, just some simple props, like a big desk and a filing cabinet and a lamp. And these things make me so happy. I feel like I'm entering a world where I can say things with the body that I can't otherwise. To work in these environments that are familiar to the audience, that we recognize from the world of theater, and to be able to subvert them and to be able to play with choreography inside those kinds of spaces is so exciting.
I have a fine room for you to stay in.
It's so important, it's so satisfying to have this time at the front end of a creation.
I like that we're far enough away from an audience walking into the door, that we're not working out of a place of fear. So there is time to experiment.
I never feel like words are my first language. I always feel like dance is my first language. I've loved that aspect. It's one of the most wonderful things about working with John.
And that's another inspiring thing about the collaboration, is that we're both writing, but we're not using the same language.